Hi everyone, Amanda here, and I wanted to talk a little bit about Dreambox. Dreambox isn't a free math website, it's a paid for subscription that schools can get for multiple grade levels of students. When I was a Title I math coach in Northern Virginia, we had this for every student in kindergarten through fifth grade. But what I love about Dreambox and what makes it really unique is that it's completely targeted for the needs of each individual student. So no students are going to be doing exactly the same thing on the exact same website. Data is based on a pre-assessment and where kids fall along the continuum, and then lessons and games are given to them based on areas of growth or improvement. So they work through different lessons and play games, and they can earn coins and change their avatar. But I did want to show you just kind of an example of one game that I like. So this is the free demo we're in right now. So this is kind of the home page for the lessons. And I just completed a lesson on multiplication doubling. And so here's one of kind of the follow-up activities that would come after it.
Here's a problem to solve. What's the product? Type the product on the number line, then click OK.
So I love how they use an open number line. I love how they use the correct math language. They're not saying just answer, they're using product, and it shows you multiple visuals for how students can understand multiplication. The immediate feedback is also really nice.
Let's double it. Here's a problem to solve.
And then it's going to take it a step further.
Type the product in the number line and then click OK.
So not only are we thinking 3 times 3 equals 9 and we're doubling that, so kids can be thinking 9 plus 9, they can be thinking 9 times 2, but also seeing the connection to 6 times 3.
Six jumps out 3 is 3 jumps out 3 doubled. Let's double again. Here's a problem to solve.
And
Type
before you know it, kids are doing
OK.
double times single digit multiplication, but with a unique understanding. So that's just a quick overview. I really would encourage you to check out Dreambox. It's an incredible resource.